Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweethearts channel. We are a locally owned baking store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cookies, cakes, and more. In this video, I will be decorating some Thanksgiving sugar cookies with royal icing. Let us know in the comments what cookie shapes are your favorite to use during the holidays. During this video, I will be using several consistencies of royal icing as well as some basic decorating techniques. If you would like to learn more about decorating with royal icing, check out this video here. Continue watching this video to learn how we decorated these cookies. Let's get started. Start by baking your cookies and mixing and coloring your royal icing. All of these cookies will be decorated with flood consistency royal icing. To decorate the pie, start by outlining the pan in white icing and the pie section with ivory icing. Pipe a small amount of red in the open space of the pie, then use a paintbrush to evenly distribute the icing in this section. Set this cookie aside to dry for 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. Flood the pan section, then smooth with a scribe tool. Use a small container or paint tray to mix gold dust and clear grain alcohol. Splatter this paint on the pan section of the cookie, then set aside to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Pipe 3 teardrops over the red icing section, then flood with ivory royal icing and smooth with a scribe tool. Allow this icing to set up for 10 to 15 minutes. To finish this cookie, pipe the whipped cream with medium to stiff consistency white royal icing using tip number 16. Pipe a ruffle with ivory stiff consistency icing between the pan and pie section of the cookie. Use a scribe tool to fix the ends of the ruffle. To decorate the Dutch oven cookie, start by outlining the bottom section of the cookie with white icing. Pipe the handle on the lid with this icing and fill in the section and use a scribe tool to move the icing into place. Set aside to dry at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, outline the top section of the cookie and flood the bottom section with white icing. Use your scribe tool to move the icing over the outline and pop any air bubbles. Set this cookie aside to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Flood the top section with white icing and smooth with a scribe tool. Use the gold paint made for the previous cookie and add more grain alcohol if needed. Splatter the cookie with the gold paint and set aside to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. To finish this cookie, pipe the handles and a line between the lid and the bottom for more definition. Finally, paint the handle of the lid with the gold paint. To decorate the turkey, start by marking the body and wings with an edible marker. We suggest using a yellow or brown marker as this will show up on the cookie but is not likely to show if it bleeds through the icing. Outline the body, wings, and feathers using flood consistency royal icing. Flood the top feather, then set aside to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then flood the second and fourth set of feathers and smooth the icing with a scribe tool. Set aside to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Flood the final section of feathers and use a scribe tool to smooth the icing. Next, flood the body section of the turkey and use a scribe tool to move the icing over the outline and pop any air bubbles. Set this cookie aside for 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Once the body section has crusted over, flood the wings and smooth with a scribe tool. Pipe the feet using orange icing as well as the beak. Use red icing to pipe the detail of the beak, then pipe the eyes using white and black icing. The details of the turkey can be piped using flood or medium consistency royal icing. Allow these cookies to dry completely overnight or for 24 hours before packaging.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Leave us a comment down below letting us know if you liked this video and what cutter shapes you like to use when you make Thanksgiving sugar cookies. Also, be sure to leave any questions below. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the Royal Icing Decorated Sugar Cookies playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the new tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the description below to find our social media links. We love to see your creations and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.